The Tinkerboard RK3288 is a remarkable single-board computer that stands out in the market with its high-performance capabilities. Powered by a quad-core ARM SoC running at 1.8 GHz and complemented by a 600 MHz Mali T764 GPU, this board offers exceptional processing and graphical performance, making it a fantastic choice for a wide range of applications. Whether you're into IoT projects, media streaming, or even light gaming, the Tinkerboard S has got you covered. One of the key features of the Tinkerboard S is its 2 GB of LPDDR3 dual-channel memory, ensuring smooth and efficient multitasking. Additionally, the onboard 16 GB eMMC storage provides significantly faster read and write speeds compared to traditional SD cards, enhancing the overall responsiveness of your OS, applications, and file storage. This combination of memory and storage means you can expect a seamless and efficient user experience. Networking and connectivity are top-notch on the Tinkerboard S. It boasts a high-speed, non-shared gigabit LAN port, delivering true gigabit-class networking throughput. This is a crucial feature for those who need reliable and fast network connections. Furthermore, the board comes with 4 non-shared USB 2.0 ports, allowing for extensive peripheral connectivity. The onboard shielded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, with upgradable antenna support, ensure robust and reliable wireless connections, making it perfect for IoT and network-connected projects. The Tinkerboard S also excels in multimedia capabilities. It supports HD and UHD, 4K, video playback with hardware acceleration, ensuring smooth and high-quality video performance. The 192 kHz 24-bit HD audio playback with automatic audio jack detection further enhances the multimedia experience, making it a great choice for media centers or audio projects. HDMI CC support allows for seamless power on and off configurations, adding a layer of convenience for users. The DIY design features of the Tinkerboard S make it an excellent choice for hobbyists and developers. The color-coded enhanced GPIO header with dual-mode I2S and the silkscreen PCB make it easier to identify and use the various pins and connectors. Additionally, the onboard power-on pin adds another layer of flexibility for custom projects. The board's compatibility with industry-standard PCB and topology dimensions, along with its extensive I/O and connection placement, ensures that it works well with a wide range of SBC accessories and chassis. In conclusion, the Tinkerboard RK3288 is a powerful and versatile single-board computer that offers a blend of high performance, extensive connectivity, and robust multimedia support. Whether you're building a custom DIY project, setting up a media center, or exploring the possibilities of IoT, the Tinkerboard S provides the tools and features you need to succeed. Its thoughtful design and comprehensive features make it a top contender in the SBC market. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.